How to delete Snapchat call history. If any day you're a Snapchat user and you would like to delete your Snapchat call history but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the Snapchat application on your mobile device. After you find the Snapchat application on your mobile device, you have to tap on Snapchat. After you tap on Snapchat, you have to go to the eye option out there. After you go to the eye option, now you have to go to the option of notifications and enable all the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back, and after going back, you have to go to the next option, that is permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos, and videos. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, now you have to go to the option of storage. This is the most important as well. After you tap on the storage, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the clear the cache, and after you tap on the clear the cache, you also have to tap on the option of data. If you see the option of clear the data, you can just clear it. Otherwise, you have to go to the option of manage the storage. After you tap on manage the storage, you can see the interface like this. Now you have to go to the option that is delete here, and after you tap on the option of delete, all of your snap and chats, the logins, the settings, your personal info, your app activity, and all of your call recordings, and all of those will be deleted. So you have to tap on the option of delete, and after that you have to close this, and this way you can delete all your call history on Snapchat. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.